Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on how to do this kind of subtle purpley color on dark or black hair. And so let's just get into it. So you're going to start off by sectioning the hair. I kind of had very sloppy sections. You should do nicer ones, but this was kind of like a subtle kind of peekaboo color. So I didn't care too much about the sections. So then what I did is I went in and I just kind of wove kind of slices, I guess I would say, because it's kind of thicker than usual. Because it's a fashion color, you really want it to pop. So it was kind of thicker than your typical, natural woven highlight. So I just went and I did that. And then what you're going to want to do is put a foil in there and really, really, really saturate the hair. A tip that I would definitely say is that, especially in this case, she had a lot of color build up on the ends of her hair, and then the top wasn't actually colored. That was more of her natural dark brown. So what you'd want to do is take a lower developer on the top, say like a 5 or a 10 or even a 9 or something like that, and then a higher developer on the bottom, like a 20 volume, just so that it'll lift more evenly. As you get closer to the head, it lifts a little bit faster, and of course if there's no color on it, it's going to lift a little faster. So it does make sense to kind of do two different volumes, a lower volume closer to the root where there's less color buildup, and then a higher volume at the end, just to try to make it lift kind of together. So I just went around the entire head and just did this woven foil around the whole head, and then this, so you could see this is the final amount of foils that I had in her head. So there was just enough to kind of have it a peekaboo. And then I wanted to show you this because now the top of her roots was lifting faster than the ends. So what you can do in this situation, even if you did do the different developer, is just kind of open up the foil and let that kind of air out. It'll kind of dry out on its own. Then what I did was I didn't have purple, so I had to make purple. So I took a dark pink and a blue, and that is how I made purple. So now you can see her at the sink with it in her hair, and then this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you like videos like this and if you want to see more hair tutorials. Until next time, guys, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Thanks.